Armino served as an Astartes of the Blood Angels of the Sword of Baal. An incredibly quiet member of his squad, Armino would nonetheless prove to be a brutal and uncompromising warrior. Despite being few of words, Armino would be focused in his duties to dispense the wrath of the Emperor with blade, bolter, and if needed, heel and fist. Aiding his brethren during their investigation of the Hive of Naiades, Armino would strike down the enemies of his Imperium with unerring discipline. Facing the Patriarch of the Tyranids at the Tower of Naiades, Armino would face a foe far beyond his bearing without fear. Slain during the engagement, Armino's actions would speak far more than his words. His duty to his chapter and ferocity in battle, worthy in the eyes of the great angel.